Hello everyone, I'm going to make turban cap with different colors. The material I'm using is stretch suede. I fold into two. After folding into two, I have 4 inches. Before folding into two is 8 inches, but after folding into two is 4 inches. Then I will fold this way, 4 inches by 4 inches. I place my tape here. I have 4 inches. My tape is still here, 4 inches, 4 inches, and 4 inches. Then I will cut here. And I have this. With my thread and needle, I will make gather. I will sew here, give space to make gather. And I will draw the thread just like this, and I will tie. I will sew around. After tying, I will cut the thread. I have artificial flower, is the one I use for these ones. Hot glue. I use the same measurement for all of them. The cap I'm going to sew it on is ready. I have so many different types on how to sew cap for turban or for auto glue. Please go and check them out. I made plain ones like this, and you can use any design of your choice on top. I'm going to sew these ones on top. This is the back side and the front. I will sew on top. I'm going to sew with thread and needle. You can start from here down this way. You can also start from here down this way. Sew on the back. Tie. Then I will bring the second one and place on top, and I will hold the two together, the first one and the second one. I will hold the two together. Tie on the back. And sew from the back. The next one I will place here, and I will sew the 3 together. I sew together with this green, lemon green, and we sew with this. I will tie on the back. Then I will also sew this one to the cap, this red one to the cap. You can make any design of your choice. If you want to make it straight all through from the front to the back, you can also do that. Then I will sew these 3 together. After sewing, I will sew this black one to the cap. After doing that, I will bring the next. I will do the same, the 3 together before I sew this one to the cap. And I will bring this one just like that. Let me finish the sewing and I will show you the final look, how it looks like. This is it, guys. This is the final look. The back. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. As always, share this video to everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.